Whether you're live streaming a scene to your channel or in the middle of creating a cinematic masterpiece, the latest generation of film creation gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative film creation devices which will not only open new possibilities for remote workflows, but up-level your game. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Sony FR7 is the world's first pan-tilt zoom camera to combine a full-frame image sensor, an interchangeable lens design, and remote shooting functionality. Pan and tilt speed is continuously variable from 0.02 to 60 degrees per second and supports a wide range of stable, smooth motion. The pan angle range is from positive to negative 170 degrees, and the tilt angle range is from negative 30 to 195 degrees. The FR7 can memorize up to 100 camera positions and can be remotely controlled using a web application or an optional RMIP 500 remote controller. Presets include camera direction, zoom, and focus, and can be recalled with a button press. The FR7 uses a back-illuminated full-frame XMOR CMOS image sensor. The 10.3 megapixel sensor is designed for excellent 4K video performance, including 4K 120p footage. It also records FHD video at up to 240 FPS. Powered by the Bayern's XR engine, the camera includes fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time tracking, while touch focus is available via the compatible web app. The Sony FR7 opens up new ways to tell a narrative by combining intuitive live control and sophisticated automation with stunning visuals through advanced cinematic features. The red KOMODO-X is designed for cinematic capturing and live broadcasting of 6K footage in diverse environments thanks to its compact form factor. The camera features a Super 35 image sensor, delivering quality low-light performance and frame rates at 6K 80p and 4K 120p, while the sensor's dynamic range is an impressive 16.5 stops. The I/O array features 12G SDI, full-size DC and USB Type-C, and a phantom-powered locking audio connector. In addition, an integrated 2.9-inch LCD allows for simplified control and convenient monitoring. A variety of Apple ProRes formats are supported in addition to higher-resolution RED codecs. There is a 5-pin audio input for an optional DSMC3 dual XLR or 3.5mm adapter. Other accessories available include a red compact top handle designed to help videographers capture low-angle shots and a 7-inch touch monitor capable of rotating 180 degrees. Utilizing CF Express Type B memory cards, the camera features data rates up to 560 MBs, while micro V-mount batteries can be used without an adapter. Frame-accurate PTP synchronization and tri-level Genlock sensor sync is supported with the ability to offset on the fly, allowing for multi-camera volume productions. The red KOMODO-X's powerful array of features and portability inspires the expansion of cinematic imagery into boundless new uses. The ATOMOS Ninja Ultra 5.2-inch HDMI recording monitor is an on-camera cloud technology and networking device that supports DCI, 4K footage, and can even record ProRes RAW up to 8K with compatible cameras. H.265 and DNX codecs are also supported together with matching file names, timecodes, and record from ARRI, Canon, and RED cameras. The ATOMOS Connect expansion module enables remote view, an impressive technology that lets the user share live camera views with other ATOMOS monitors, as well as with iPads, Macs, and Apple TVs wirelessly. You can monitor what's happening on set and look through any connected camera taking the shot from anywhere in the world. This is made possible via the lower latency, high throughput, and ultra-stable Wi-Fi 6E connection. Productive cloud workflows including dual record, ProRes RAW allow you to edit your project in the cloud and publish to social media within minutes of shooting the action. The Atom OS 11 operating system hosts exclusive monitoring and recording features suitable for all kinds of projects. Its record assist and playback assist features cover prearranged or remote shots. False color tools such as ARRI False Color and L-Zone are supported. There is also real-time log to PQ previewing thanks to the Atom HDR processing engine. The ATOMOS Ninja Ultra is a total game changer for remote production, allowing for sophisticated cinematic workflows. Sony FX6 is an exceptional choice for filmmakers and content creators looking for an intuitive and powerful camera with the flexibility to shoot in both S35 and FF formats. Offering a wide dynamic range, adjustable gamma support, and fast autofocus, the lightweight and compact designed FX6 allows for cinematic capture in a wide range of situations and environments. The camera features a full-frame 10.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. XAVCI and XAVCL codecs are utilized. There is dual autofocus with 425 contrast detect points, plus fast hybrid autofocus with 759 phase detect points. The FX6 does not feature in-body stabilization, however does have a gyroscope built in which records the movements of the camera that can later be used to apply stabilization in post-production. Gamma options available include HLG S-Log2 and S-Log3. Several connectivity options are supported such as dual CF Express memory cards, an HDMI Type A output, an XLR input, and a 3.5mm microphone input. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sony's unique LFV series lenses have been developed specifically for this camera. With BNC timecode, variable electronic ND, and the ability to load up user LUTs, the compact and versatile Sony FX6 is an exceptional choice for filmmakers and content creators. The DJI RONIN 2 is a lightweight motorized 3-axis stabilization system designed for dynamic film creation. Its high-torque motors, wide array of supported cameras, superior wind resistance, and built-in GPS enables the creative capture of footage in demanding environments, such as when mounted to vehicles or during flight. Settings and adjustments are performed via the integrated touchscreen, including straightforward calibration. The Gimbal Assistant app allows content to be created with minimal effort. Features such as Cam Anchor, time-lapse, and panorama make for an intuitive and easy-to-use control system. Self-powered, the RONIN 2 is able to power its own motors, as well as attached cameras and accessories. The dual battery system enables batteries to be changed even during operation. A carbon fiber build makes the RONIN 2 ideal for use in extreme weather conditions, while the self-heating batteries further enhance its reliability, ensuring stable power output even in extremely low temperatures. The RONIN 2's integrated GPS provides the platform with essential information for gimbal acceleration and speed parameters, which are crucial for maintaining the camera's position while moving at high speeds. A remote is available which may be used to facilitate dual operation, whereby a dolly grip holder and camera operator work in concert. DJI A3 flight controller integration, onboard power, and flexible gimbal functionality make the DJI RONIN 2 an exciting and inspiring tool for film creation. So guys, if you are looking for a film creation gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.